Hello everyone, my name is Makayla, MaShelle if you're new here, and if not, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I install my closures on a deep side part wig to kind of give you a little bit of frontal vibes, you know, because it's like laid, honey. Y'all see that? Laid, honey. Okay, the light might be thrown off my lace, but I promise you it's laid, okay? So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright, so before I start, I just want to say thank you so much to Julia Hair Company for sending me this hair. They sent me a closure and 3 bundles. All the details for the hair will be in the description box.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, I wanna be together. Babe, I want your love, your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me. just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time. I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. All right, bye.